Iri njira imwe ya kuhota kuiga rekodi ya aria magumirwo ni ndwari itiganiite icagini na gwetha njira cia kurigita arwaru. Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Thirikari augite ministry yake ni kuhe abithaa o utungata wa ugima wa mwiri icagini macini cia guthima andu mirimu itiganiite riria mathii micii-ini yao kumandikithia mutaratara-ini wa kwamukira urigitani murugamirire ni thirikari.
The equipment that I would like to see us investing in right now is primary healthcare level of equipment, kitting the community health workers by making sure that they have basic equipment to do blood screening, to do blood sugar, to be able to check on the conditions of pregnant mothers at the location that they are at. So that is going to be our focus for the time being.
Aria akuru na aria matari no hoti wa kwirihira utungata uyu rungu rwa NHIF maririhagirwo ni thirikari, no aria andike na mari na mushara magathie na mbere na kwirihira. Sicily augite mubango wa thirikari ni gutigirira ati ndwari itiganiite no cirigitwo thibitari-ini cia county murwaru angigakinya wa gutumwo thibitari-ini nene, undu uria kunyihanyihia muhatikano na ihinda iraya ria gweterera murwaru angikarigitwo.
So it is a multi-pronged approach, emphasizing primary healthcare and investment at that level.
As much as awareness is being done by national government, but also ensuring that all the health services we have, primary healthcare services, medical centers, are working.
Anybody standing in the way of the success of UHC, tutaondoa. Ni kweli? Na haijalishi ni nani. Kama ni wewe, iwe ni wewe administrator, tutakuomba kwa heshima kindly. Kakando sisi twe
muigana wa micii 200,000 niyo yagirirwo kwiyandikithia kaunti-ini ya Nyeri. Ugima wa mwiri ari gitugi kimwe hari 4 iria President Uhuru Kenyatta arongoreirie kuhingiria a Kenya. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.